Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Google search not working on phone. So if Google search isn't working on your phone, try these fixes. So first, close the app completely, so swipe it up and swipe it away, then reopen it and see if that works. Next, go to your settings, scroll down and open Wi-Fi, and check your internet connection. You can also switch to another network. Then you can open another website or app to make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to data or from data to Wi-Fi. Next is to clear the Google app cache. So open Google app, click your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, click settings in the top right. Next, scroll down and select privacy and safety. Now, once you're here, tap clear cookies and tap clear all. You can also tap clear app history and tap clear all. Then close Google app fully and reopen it and see if that fixed the issue. Next is to reset or reinstall the Google app. So open settings, then scroll down and go to general. Then scroll down from here and go to transfer or reset iPhone. Now in here, select reset and select reset network settings. Enter your passcode. Then select reset network settings to confirm the action. So this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. So once that's done, open Google app again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.